In this video, we are going to show you how to replace your air filter housing locking clip. This can easily be done with one simple tool, a flathead screwdriver. Now looking at these two clips, you can tell that there's one that faces up like this, and then as you move your way to the other side, the other one's the opposite. The process will be the same. Carefully grab onto the tab and pull it down. Now what I want to do with this flathead screwdriver is carefully get into this area, and I want to try to press on this, pressing it towards the plastic box. There we are. Once you press it over there, these hooks right here should unlock from the plastic, and you should be able to pull it down and away. Now we can get ready to install our brand new clip. Let's slide it under this area and press it into the lower box. Just gently pry it up. There we are. Now just roll this right over and lock it in. Double check to make sure that your air filter housing is completely secured. The process will be the same for either.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.